We've been celebrating some healthcare heroes as part of National Nurses Week. Some have been honored with the 2021 Nightingale Award, which showcases excellence in nursing. And joining us now is one of those nurses, Linda Ruggiero, who is a nurse in the System Support Office doing clinical informatics. Linda, thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Well, your career spans 35 years. Hard to believe. What kind of work have you done over that time?
Yes, it is hard to believe, and I've been very fortunate in my career to have many different opportunities. I actually started working here when I was in nursing school, and so I feel like I grew up in St. Vincent's and in this hospital. I was able to work on a cardiology floor where we did primary angioplasty, the first in the state. I worked in critical care in CCU, which was really my passion. I started a heart failure clinic for advanced heart failure patients. It's still exists today within the organization. In 2014, around there, before that, I became involved with IT in a project in cardiology, and I got really interested in it, and I actually took a job in IT. I went over to the other side, and I was able to learn a lot about information technology. I was the project manager for CPOE, which is computerized electronic order entry for physicians and primarily physician support. And in 2014, our CNO, Dale Danowski, saw a real need for clinical informatics to support the end users. And so that's how I ended up there.
That is quite a resume. All right. What exactly is clinical informatics? That's your role now, and I've never heard of that.
So that's a great question, and a lot of people ask me what clinical informatics is, and it's really a healthcare specialty that works with end users and leadership and other clinicians to leverage technology to improve care for patients and to improve workflows for clinicians. We also use data analytics in that we can find opportunities where we can either save costs, prevent harm, improve quality. So it's a lot of different types of efforts that we have.
Interesting. All right. Talk about how nursing has changed over the past 35 years, Linda.
Wow. Nursing has been, there's been huge changes in nursing, and I can't impress upon everyone enough how much this past year and a half has really changed nursing. We've needed to innovate because of all of the issues with the pandemic and how we needed to care for our patients. And out of that came technologies for telehealth and video conferencing that has now increased access to care for patients, which has been phenomenal. I just think that, you know, it's been a huge change. I think nurses also have a ton of opportunities. There's specialties that they can go in. They don't need to work at the bedside any longer. So there's a real transformation, so to speak.
So much. All right. Well, Linda Ruggiero, congratulations on winning the Nightingale Award. That is awesome. And we thank you for all of your service and everything you've done throughout the pandemic. And thanks for being with us today.
Thank you. It was a real honor.